Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price. Loaded with features. Features also include alloy wheels, steering wheel controls, hands-free Bluetooth integration. With these ratings, we are pleased to show you the 2017 Titan. The Titan houses the Endurance V8 engine, the largest standard truck engine in its class. But the benefits don't stop there. The massive interior cabin boasts a fold-up rear bench seat and a flat loading floor. When it comes to power and comfort, the Titan can't be beat and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, Bluetooth, driver airbag, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, cruise control. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.